This was not really requested, but I'll make it anyways. Here's for the people that did want it though, and anyone that wants to make a calendar. Disclaimer though, if you don't like drawing lines and repetitive stuff, this is not for you. First things first, I did this on a dotted notebook. It's pretty cheap. You can just get it right here. Let's get started. I already have this grid already done, but I will walk you through the steps on how to make this. I put in the month and the year, whenever you want after it. Usually I just do on this second line right here, second space, but this is totally customizable, and I had the 7 days of the week shortened to 3-letter abbreviations, and that's just how it fits evenly. Alright, now we got our days of the week down, so then I go on to this part. I start by skipping a space, and I go down here. I try to give room for 1 dot right next to the word and 1 dot on the right as well. So it should look something like this. Notice how this gets 1 empty space in between. Ooh, there should be 2, so it should look even. Usually there are 5 rows of squares that I do, so means that I usually make 4 more lines. They don't have to be perfect. I do this by leaving a space, if you can see, and now that I have all the lines down, even on the side right here, I'm gonna start connecting these horizontally. Okay, and now we're done with making the squares, so it's time to number them. It should at least look like this, or this. I used to make the bottom of my calendars look like this, but as you can tell, I never filled it up. And the same goes for this one, and this one. Hopefully you are able to make a calendar out of this. You don't have to, but I make some, and I would see a lot of tutorials for making calendars like this, so hopefully this has been helpful. I might be a little insane for doing 7 to 8 of these, but it's a great way for me to stay organized and not buy a planner, because I got a notebook to do that for me. But